In the heart of an untouched wilderness, a man has come to build a new life. But this is not simply about survival. It is a quest to unlock ancient secrets of creation. Using only the gifts the forest is willing to provide. What you are about to witness is a masterclass in ingenuity and will. The first shelter begins, a humble structure against the raw earth. A roof of bamboo takes shape, a delicate shield against the elements. Inside, the space is carved out, a sanctuary being born. He works the earth, expanding his domain inch by inch. The forest provides the finest materials. With skilled hands, he weaves the bamboo into intricate patterns. This is more than a craft, it is a meditation. Each strand locks into place, creating a durable, beautiful surface. The finished mat is a piece of functional art. It is carried back to the shelter, a touch of comfort for his new home. The work is tireless, his focus unwavering. The simplest objects bring a sense of order to the wild. Soon, fire will bring warmth and light to this lonely place. A fire pit is prepared, the heart of the future camp. The first shelter stands complete, a testament to what is possible. But his ambition reaches further. He will now build with the earth itself. Using a mixture of clay and wood, a new structure rises. He digs deeper, seeking the perfect soil for his creation. An underground chamber begins to take form, cool and hidden. Flexible bamboo is shaped to create the arched framework. Every piece is custom carved to fit perfectly. He works within the womb of the earth, sculpting his vision. The walls are plastered, sealing the shelter from the outside world. With a sculptor's touch, he refines the shape of the walls. The scale of this underground home is truly astonishing. A unique building technique is unveiled, using cross-sections of wood. The entrance is fortified, a beautiful mosaic of wood and clay. The roof is carefully completed, a dome of natural materials. Every component is sourced from the immediate surroundings. A wooden door is installed, the final piece of the exterior. The interior is prepared, transforming a cave into a home. The structure is complete, a hidden marvel of natural architecture. A moment of pride in a creation that is both strong and beautiful. The door, a masterpiece of rustic design. It stands in perfect harmony with the forest. The journey continues, with new skills and greater challenges. He works on the mud-walled house, adding a touch of artistry. He prepares bamboo, the versatile backbone of his creations. The joinery is precise, a testament to his expertise. He is at one with his work, surrounded by the bounty of the jungle. Every notch and cut serves a specific purpose. A bamboo frame is fitted, bringing structure to the entrance. Next, a slatted bamboo door is meticulously crafted. He ensures a perfect fit, a barrier against the night. The finished door is carefully moved into position. It is hung with a simple, yet effective, bamboo hinge. The frame is secured, a satisfyingly solid construction. Now, his attention turns to the roof. The wooden rafters are laid, a skeleton awaiting its skin. Though weary, his expression shows deep satisfaction in his labor. The house is complete. He steps inside his new sanctuary. The final step is to bring order to the surrounding chaos. The worksite is cleared, leaving only the finished home. A living roof of green grass makes the house part of the landscape. Now, he will test the most fundamental of skills, clearing the land. He turns to crafting tools from the materials at hand. Each piece is shaped with intense focus and precision. He attempts to create fire, the ancient gift of warmth and light. A small trap is constructed, a testament to his survival knowledge. His next shelter will be simpler, built from earth and leaves. Large leaves are woven together to form waterproof panels. These panels become the walls and roof of a new, more primal hut. The leafy thatch is layered, a technique passed down through generations. More panels are woven for bedding, ensuring a dry night's rest. He places the bedding inside the dark, cozy interior of the hut. A small fireplace is prepared, ready for the evening fire. His journey takes him to a rocky outcrop, searching for new materials. He prepares a new kind of mortar, a mix of soil and binding agents. The next project will be built of stone, a fortress of permanence. He lays the foundation, binding the stones with the clay mortar he prepared. The walls grow higher, a solid and reassuring presence in the wild. The gaps are meticulously filled, making the wall impenetrable. His hands, covered in clay, are the primary tools of this creation. Built against a fallen giant, the stone shelter takes its final form. He now ventures into a dense bamboo grove for roofing materials. The bamboo is stripped and prepared with practiced ease. He pulls a modern tool from his pack, a cordless drill. A fascinating blend of ancient methods and modern technology. The prepared bamboo stalks are ready for assembly. They are cut to size with a small, sharp axe. The bamboo rafters are laid across the stone walls. A dense layer of bamboo forms a sturdy roof deck. This is then sealed with the same clay used for the walls. The roof is complete, simple, and effective. A heavy capstone is placed at the peak, adding weight and stability. More stones are added, creating a fully armored roof. He prepares to craft a floor for the stone shelter. Thin strips of bamboo are expertly woven into a mat. Suddenly, a new marvel, a system to deliver fresh water from a spring. He builds yet another shelter, this one with a thatched roof. The stone walls are carefully finished. He enters his creation, a dark and secure hiding place. He prepares clay for an indoor stove. The stove is built by hand, a vital source of heat. Layer by layer, the mud stove takes shape. Finally, it is ready for its first fire. His focus now shifts to a final, ambitious project. He gathers strong timbers, the foundation for a home in the sky. The logs are cut to the perfect length. A large supply of firewood is prepared. He begins to build a new frame. He will use his modern drill once more. The joints are drilled and secured, creating a sturdy base. A platform is assembled piece by piece. The modern tool makes quick work of the heavy timbers. The final details are secured with precision. The completed platform, a stage for his final act of creation. The last piece of the frame is fastened into place. He begins to construct the walls of the treehouse. Each joint is secured with a hammer and nails. He carves the wood with a small, sharp knife. His attention to detail is extraordinary. He prepares the smaller pieces that will form the walls. The drill is used to create pilot holes for the framing. The pieces are joined with screws, strong and secure. He climbs onto the platform to begin work on the roof. The roof beams are nailed into place. He prepares a long timber for the ridge beam. The wood is shaped with skill and patience. Bamboo is gathered to form the curved roof. The roof frame is fastened together. The final beams are secured. The elegant bamboo arch of the roof is assembled. The structure is now recognizable as a small, sturdy house. The treehouse frame is complete. The last of the main supports are screwed into place. The side walls are reinforced and secured. The dome-like roof rises above the platform. He works on the peak of the roof arch. From inside, the complex geometry of the roof is breathtaking. The final ribs of the roof are installed. He ensures every piece is perfectly aligned. He adds small blocks to support the walls. The roof is a masterpiece of woodworking. The space inside feels secure and enclosed. The finished treehouse stands tall, a triumph of design. Now, he crafts a bamboo door. The bamboo slats are nailed together. The precision is evident in every hammer blow. The door is fitted into the entryway. He gathers more bamboo for the finishing touches. He fits the door from the inside. He looks out from his new home, a king in his wooden castle. The door is hung and operational. He climbs the ladder, returning to his sanctuary with supplies. A final waterproof tarp is added to the roof. He secures the tarp, ensuring a dry interior. The treehouse stands as a beacon of self-reliance. He enters with firewood, ready to make it a home. He prepares bamboo for another project. A decorative bamboo railing is installed. He covers a mound of earth, perhaps for planting. He gathers fresh greens from the forest floor. Water is added to a clay pit. He builds a conical clay oven. The oven is smoothed and perfected. With a fire lit, the homestead is complete. He looks upon his kingdom, a world built by his own hands. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Building with Fiang for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.